Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your domain's primary email on SiteGround. Before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan of web hosting, and if you want to buy to premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating your account, you have to just log in and changing your site's primary domain with SiteGround. So log into your SiteGround account and click the website option at the top of the screen to go and to the website management screen. So after next procedure is select the change primary domain option, just tap on it, and the next screen type in the new primary domain. This will not register a new domain for you, so you need to have already registered domain and have it pointing to your name server at SiteGround, so you can just manage it in it. So the system will then process your request and give you a success message when that's done. So this is how you can just manage it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.